Meet Sniffles, the bravest puppy you'll ever see. He's about to go on his very first big adventure. Oh, look, he seems a little nervous, but that's okay. And he's off. Look at him go, zooming down the mountain road. Wow, he's getting really good at this. From up here, Sniffles looks like a tiny golden star. And there he is, our hero of the day. Did you see how Sniffles conquered his fear? Remember, kids, being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means doing something even when you are scared. If Sniffles can do it, so can you. Now let's see that adventure again.